Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome and switch back to Google as your default search engine. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page where you can customize and manage your browser preferences. The Settings page is your control center for everything related to how Chrome operates on your device. Once you're on the Settings page, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories. Click on Search Engine from the menu options. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses when you type queries into the address bar, so it's essential for getting your preferred search experience back. Now you'll notice that Yahoo is currently set as your default search engine. To change this, click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Google from the list of available search engines. After selecting Google, click the Set as Default button. This ensures that whenever you search using Chrome's address bar, it will use Google instead of Yahoo. Next, you'll want to remove Yahoo completely from your search engine options. Look for the option that says Manage Search Engines and Site Search and click on it. This will open a more detailed view where you can see all the search engines that Chrome has stored. Scroll through the list until you find Yahoo. Once you locate it, click the three dots that appear beside the Yahoo entry. This will bring up a small menu with additional options for managing that particular search engine. From the menu that appears, click Delete. This action will prompt Chrome to show you a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to remove Yahoo from your search engines list. This is Chrome's way of making sure you don't accidentally delete something you might want to keep. Go ahead and click Delete on the confirmation message to complete the removal. And that's it, you've successfully removed Yahoo search from Chrome and restored Google as your default search engine. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.